Today, we're going to show you the assembly for the Dundie Replica Trophy Kit. The components you'll receive with the kit are the figurine, the base, the column section, the gold lid, hardware, and a custom nameplate. Check your instruction sheet to identify the parts. The first step is to thread the smooth coupler onto the bottom of the figurine. Thread it about halfway, leaving room to thread the 3-inch rod onto the coupler to join the two together. These parts should all fit tightly together. Next, slide the gold lid onto the threaded rod with the finished side up against the bottom of the figure. Next, we install the column tubing section. Note the column tubing has a front edge that's slightly beveled inward. This is usually used for the front, although you can install it either way. It's up to you. Slide the column section onto the assembly and set that aside. The next step is the final assembly using a 3/8 threaded ferrule that's included with the kit. You will need a 7/16 socket wrench or nut driver to do the final assembly of the trophy. In this case, we're going to use the nut driver for the final assembly. We insert the ferrule into the nut driver, and we want the threaded sleeve, the skinny portion, to push up through the bottom of the base. That's what will connect to the threaded rod on the trophy. It may be easier for you to do this with it laying flat, but in this case we're going to stand this up. We're going to twist the figure to connect the rod and get it started into the ferrule. Once it's started, we're going to lift it up and we're going to rotate the nut driver to get this snug. Now we're not going to fully tighten it. We just want to tighten it until the parts are snug. Then we'll align the parts, center them up the way that we like, get it all adjusted just the way we like. And then we'll use the nut driver to do the final tightening. Not too tight, just enough so that the parts don't move. The final step is to install the metal nameplate. Be careful not to bend the metal nameplate. Peel the adhesive tape on the back, hold it at the outer edges, carefully centering over the recessed area on the base, stick it down tightly, and then you've got your Dundie replica complete from Trophy Kits.